Hello, class. Today we're going to be learning about We the People. And as you can see from this picture right here, we are going to be talking about the Constitution and laws of the land. We already know many things about the U.S. government. We know who the presidents are and have been. We've learned about the first few presidents. We've talked a little bit about a couple of the presidents in the recent past. And then we also know about American symbols like the flag and flags for the different states, things like that, that symbolize different things. Um, we are also you also know what a democracy is. The United States is not a kingdom, it's a democracy where the power is in the people of the United States. The official document that was written to declare independence from England back in the 1700s was called the Declaration of Independence. We also had men that were known as the Founding Fathers. They were able to put together a document that even now is the law of the land, and it is called the Constitution. We're going to figure out and learn a little bit more about this Constitution and why it's so important to citizens in the United States of America. First, we're going to talk about a few of the vocabulary things that we're going to be hearing about in this lesson, sorry. The first is amendments. Amendments are changes or improvements made to a text or a legal document. The next word is the bill, or phrase actually, is the Bill of Rights, which is a document that contains additions to the Constitution which limit the power of government. Very important, limiting the power of government. The next is consent. Given approval or permission to do something. If you consent to something, you give your approval or your permission. The next one is the Constitution, which is a document that lays down the foundation for the laws of the United States and explains how the U.S. government works. And then the last word that we're going to talk about is disagreements. Disagreements are arguments or differences of opinion. And we want to find out how we can have disagreements or not have the same opinion as somebody, but still be able to stay within the bounds of law that protect people. So the next video that you will see will be the story for today. Thank you.